Yo, go emo.
The one from Resident Evil. I don't know if I can sing along with the remix. I don't know. Small.
No kidding. What are you doing to my phone? Oh, smooth. Like my phone's got enough issues as it is.
I'm so sick, infected with where I live. Let me live without this emptiness, selfishness. I'm so.
Vanna, move your phone.
Oh.
Can I have my shoe back?
Nope.
Oh, come on.
Oops, that went a little further than I thought.
Oh, that's the ground. Yo, jet skis. Take your time.
I'm so sick. This makes me want to watch Resident Evil Extinction.
Nice.
It really does.
I was talking to her.
Oh.
Whoa, what the hell?
What?
Ow! Thanks.
Oh God. Ow. Come here, little fatty. This is going on Facebook. Oh, Jesus Christ. Get him on the other side, Savannah. Hurry! You run faster than me. This is like a police chase. It's not propped open, I locked it. Get him, Savannah. I love that you carried a ping pong paddle. She carried a ping pong paddle. I got him. She grabbed it from the game room and brought it all the way down here to chase him with it.
What's wrong?
Alright, go ahead and let him go.